How's it, guys? Today I just want to show you the way you should use the ladder and the way that you shouldn't use the ladder. So obviously, once you've taken the catch off, the natural way is to lift it up like that. The problem with that is that you end up very often hanging the weight from the bracket on the tent, which is not how a ladder is designed to be used. A much more effective, well, safer and the right way, the only way really, is to come up from the bottom. Pop your foot there, and lift up from the bottom until you where you want to be. And then if you're using that as your adjustment, you will see that the weight is now on the ground and nothing is hanging here off the top mount.